So here we are once again at sunrise at San Domingo. It'll be a nice sunrise. A few clouds off in the distance. Hopefully we get a little rain this afternoon. We've been getting teased, but I haven't seen any. And we are out again with the GPX 6000. Today though, I have the 14-inch coil on. That's quite a bit bigger coil than I've been using. And this is a double D, and we're just going to kind of check it out and see how it does on the EMI out here and the other interference that we experienced the other day. And we'll give that a go. And hopefully get a nugget or two while we're out here. Very possible in this area. Found a few of them here in my day. Yes, I have. So, we're going to give this a go and see what we can do. And I'll get back with you when we get a target. Beautiful day. Well, I was going to use a double D, but I'm going to save that for another time when I'm in an area that's more open. If you look at the ground here, the area I'm going to be hunting is a lot of brush and bushes and stuff. So I'm going to really need to be able to get down in and around this stuff. And that coil is so much bigger. And I'm going to go ahead and save using it for I'm in a area that's a lot more noisy and perhaps a lot deeper and less brush. So I don't know. This ground's pretty deep. I guess that's not the problem, but I just can't get in and around all these bushes with that big coil right in here, I don't think. I'll feel more comfortable using the 11. There's quite a difference there in size. So I'm going to go ahead and put that one on, and we're going to hunt with it today. We'll give the 14-inch a go another time. Well, this one sure sounds like a big old piece of trash. Right in there. Maybe it's a big old nugget. Down a little bit. I'm going to have to stand up and dig this one, I guess. Sorry about the shadow and all. Okay, we moved it. Yeah, it's right there. Let's see what we got. First scoop. Big targets like this, a lot of people just walk away from them because they scream. I like to see what they are at least. And I believe it's a little dealy bop off of a tobacco pouch. Yeah, that's what it is, I think. Oh well, at least it's an interesting piece of trash. Well, we got another fairly deep, large one. Yeah, we get this way over here. Probably the other part of that tobacco dealy. Still down there. That will sound a little funny, like trash. hard packed dirt down there. This one's down a ways. Ah. Yep, this one's down a little ways. This thing's getting a little noisy, so I'm going to quiet it down. Part of it's due to the camera. We're going to have to move the camera. This thing's down pretty deep. Hopefully you can still see it. Gotta dig them. I don't know, it could be a big old nugget, eh? Okay, it's moved. Okay. It is right here in this pile. Whatever it is, it's large in metal. Come on out of there. Boy, I threw it back in the hole. You gotta be kidding me. What the heck? How in the world did I throw it back in the hole? I didn't hear it in the scoop. Huh. No way. It's down in that hole. Really? Ouch. Maybe there's two targets. That's strange. Well, I got it. Jeez. No way. There's no possible way I threw that back in that hole. But I did. How is that even possible? There it is. And it's unreal. And it's the other piece of that tobacco dealie, just like I said. Ay, 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 that's why I was jumping around so much. It's so light. Oh man, that was a deep dig for that one. Yes, it was. Always fill those holes. Especially if you're on somebody else's spot they took you to. Because you know what? They might not take you back out ever again if they start seeing holes you left there. That's just how that is. I just happen to be that way. Well, there was the other piece of that thing. What do you know about that? Alrighty, a little target right here. Right in here. Something small and shallow. See, I already moved it. Right in here. It spilled out of my scoop. That's pretty cool. Look, let me get it. Spilled out of my scoop. I heard it hit the coil. I can't get too close to the camera for obvious reasons, but look. Right there. Little nugget. Now I had somebody tell me I'm awful loose with what I call a nugget. That was the camera making the machine noise. You can hear now it's quiet. Someone told me I'm a little loose with what I call a nugget, and I guess that could be probably true, but the way I figure it, if you find it with a metal detector, it qualifies as a nugget, right? That's my story, and I'm sticking to it, but look at that little piece. Wasn't very deep. It's laying right on top. And this is a very old tailings pile right here. Yeah. How about that? I'm happy. Well, I've dug a couple trash targets. One right here, one over there. Now I got another target. Right here. Right here. It sounds shallow, small. Right in here. A little deeper yet, eh? Okay, I like that. Deeper is always better. Well, not always, but most of the time. Right in here. Almost got it. Moved it a little bit. Still deeper. Interesting. Did I move it? Nope. Well, I might have to get the pick. It's pretty hard stuff. got it. It says there's more than one target in there. I heard it hit the scoop. I think it's going to be a piece of lead. Yep, piece of lead. Well, see if the one next to it's a piece of lead. Probably is. Would make sense, wouldn't it? This is just here in the camera. Okay.